Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Simply Kani. Today I'm going to be creating a really soft and elegant day makeup look using my glam products. Before getting into the video, if you're new to my channel, hit on that subscribe button. Let's get started. Starting off with moisturizer, I'm using the Manish Malhotra Sandalwood SPF gel for moisturizing my face before getting into the makeup part. This is the collaboration of My Glam with Manish Malhotra. This gel type moisturizer is really rich and really creamy. It gets absorbed into the skin really quickly, and it has got SPF 25, so you can wear it during the daytime. Following the moisturizer, I'm using a primer. I'm taking the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Primer, applying it over the spots where I have a little more pores, blending it into my skin. Next, I'm moving on to the Orange Color Corrector by Nykaa. I'm applying it all over the places where I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation and pimple marks, and I'm blending it in with a brush. Then I'm moving on to a concealer. This is the Stars Cosmetics Cream Foundation. I use it as a concealer because it's very close to my skin tone. After blending this in, I'm moving on to the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. I'm blending the foundation into my skin using a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm moving on to the concealer part of it, and I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, applying it in dots over the places where I need a little bit of brightening. And here my base makeup is almost done, and I'm going to be introducing the star of the show, which is the My Glam collaboration with PopXO makeup collection. This kit right here is called Hot Damn, and it is a face and eye kit. In this palette there are 5 products. One is the setting powder, there's a blush, a highlighter, and 2 shades of eyeshadow, one of which is matte and another one is shimmer. This palette has everything that is required to top up your makeup. Over and above all, the packaging is simply too cute to miss out on. The pink color of the packaging and the handy size of the product makes it a go-to product for me. So this is how the palette looks from inside. There's the setting powder, which is white standard. Then there's a blush, which is also a universal shade, I would say. And then a golden champagne colored highlighter. There's the matte shade, which is dark brownish. And the shimmer shade, which is a coppery color. And that is the eyeshadows. So this is the entire palette. It fits into my palm. So cute, right? I'm going to be using the setting powder first, and I'm going to kind of pack it under my eyes and on my jawline. Then moving on to the matte eyeshadow, the brown one, I'm going to apply it on my crease and the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on the inner half of my eyes. I'm going to leave the innermost corner free, where I'm going to be applying this white setting powder again. This kind of softens the look more, and it makes it a day makeup look. I'm just blending out the setting powder that I had applied previously before moving on to the blush. I'm taking this blush and applying it on to the cheeks, adding a little bit of color to the places where I want like flushed kind of a feel. And then I'm going to go in with the highlighter from the same palette and applying it on my cheekbones, my nose, my brow bones, and some high points like my cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Brow Mascara, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyebrows. I'm keeping it as natural as possible, not filling it too much. For the mascara, I'm using the Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara by Maybelline, coating it all over my upper and lower lashes. And then finally, I'm using the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick for my lips. And that completes my makeup look, and here is the finished look. It's really soft and glamorous. All over the video you would be wondering about my nail polish because I don't usually use nail polish, but I found this cute little kit of nail polishes by My Glam with Pop XO again, and these are the mini nail polish kit. It's got really popping neon shades of nail polishes. There are 5 shades in this nail polish kit. Each of the shade also has a name. Yellow shade is called Tea, the purple shade is called Shock, the orange shade is called Flaming, the beautiful fuchsia pink shade is called Queen Bee, and then the greenish yellow called Turnt. All the 5 shades in this nail polish kit is on the neon side, it's on the brighter side, and it's really kind of playful, and to add a pop of color to your daily routine life, this is the best way. If you're looking to buy these products that I have used in this video, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Do not forget to check them out. You can click on that link and directly buy the products. For more amazing videos and product reviews, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share it with your friends. Come on, this is the most cutest makeup collection you'll ever see. Until the next time, bye bye and take care.